What up? So one day my buddy was riding this bike and it just shut off on him. And he called me and I was out, so he had to push it back to my house. This is mine and his. We bought it together. We're gonna flip it, but stuff happened and we never flipped it. But finally getting around to trying to fix this thing, and look what I found. Boom. Boom. There's your issue. So this is actually, they were using this as the ground cable, and it looks like they just kind of made this, and they did not the greatest job I've ever seen. So, and plus it's red. What the heck? It's supposed to be black. Ta-da! So I made this cable, and this should fix the issue because I charged the battery and it was fully charged. So if you're hearing a it might be a dead battery or it might be this cable. So check it out.